planet, Earth, is a magnificent oasis teeming with life, from the depths of its oceans to the vastness of its skies. It's a place of breathtaking beauty and delicate balance, where every creature plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. As we gaze upon our planet from afar, we're reminded of its fragility and the preciousness of its existence. It's a humbling perspective that should inspire us to cherish and protect this extraordinary home. Beneath the surface of the ocean lies a hidden world of vibrant coral reefs, teeming with life and color. These underwater gardens are not just stunning to behold, they're also essential ecosystems that support a quarter of all marine life. But beneath the beauty, a growing threat looms: trash and pollution, threatening our precious marine life. This disturbing sight serves as a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on our planet. As we conclude our journey through the wonders of our planet, we are reminded of the delicate balance of life and the urgent need to protect our environment. Each of us has a role to play in ensuring a sustainable future for generations to come, reducing our impact on the environment by making conscious choices in our daily lives. Together, we can make a difference. Let us work together to create a healthier, more sustainable planet for all.